Shandong Lanbeisite Educational Equipment Group was established in 2005 and listed on the NEEQ with stock code 832730 in 2015. The head office is located in Jinan, China. As a professional blackboard manufacturer, we have focused on making blackboard for 17 years. We have the largest share of China education market during the last 10 years and become the paragon of quality product in this industry. Our company passed ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001 certification, and obtained CE, FCC certificates for LCD writing boards. At present, we have 351 staff, 28 provincial operation and maintenance centers, with a sales network covering 31 provinces in China, as well as more than 10 countries and regions all over the world. Exploration and innovation is the driving force for company development. We have a national-level R&D center and has been approved to set up the postdoctoral innovative practice workstation. We have established strategic cooperation with famous universities for industry university research projects. At present, we have been authorized more than 100 world patents in Blackboard products. As the global leader in whiteboard and blackboard industry, we always regard social responsibility as the foundation of growth. Look forward to cooperate hand in hand with worldwide partners to forge ahead and make efforts to create the most valuable, the most respected, and the most socially responsible enterprise and education industry.